This is a GDocProfit review and exclusive bonus that's going to blow your socks off. I created a set of bonuses that will automate the whole process of what Chris Ramirez is teaching in the training. You won't find this anywhere else because I created it just for you. So first I'm going to go ahead and go through the GDocProfits sales page. I'm going to go ahead and let you know who created this offer. I'm going to go ahead and show you behind the scenes of what the actual deliverable is for the training and the course. I'm going to show you the extra bonuses, and then I'm going to give you an overview because I actually went through the entire course. I took notes, I learned everything, and then I created a bonus that is going to blow you away. So when you buy through my link down below in the description, you are going to go ahead and get a PDF quick start guide that shows you quick and easy steps to be able to go ahead and create everything and do everything that is in the training. So step by step, you're going to know what to do quickly and easily. Also, I created a custom GPT on ChatGPT to create these high converting GDoc bridge pages for higher conversions. All you have to do is enter the sales page link of whatever you want to promote, and it's done. You don't have to do anything else. You don't have to do any training or anything like that. I created the custom GPT. You just drop your sales link in there, and it will create that Google Doc for you. Also, I'm going to create an exclusive training on how to use the sales page bridges to also rank on Google. So you're going to put in your sales page link. It's going to go ahead and create that document that they show you how to do in the training. And then I'm going to also show you how to be able to rank on Google and how to get your other properties indexed and ranked at the same time with the same document. So you're not going to find this anywhere else because I have created it specifically for you, and you're going to get the PDF quick start guide, the custom GPT that automates everything that you are doing there. You're also going to get the exclusive training on how to go ahead and rank and index this particular document as well as other properties you have created. And then that's not all. There is another training on here inside the course on how to go ahead and get traffic to these GDocs. And I am going to go ahead and show you a way to automate the entire process so you don't have to manually do that either. I love automation. If you know me on the Passive Cash Stacker channel, we love to automate everything as much as possible, and I'm going to show you ways to automate this whole entire course learning that you're going to do. So let's go ahead and jump in and see what you get. Here on the GDocProfits sales page, you will see a lot of text, all right? So it says, increase your traffic and stats, harness the power of GDocs and AI to boost your affiliate conversion rates. So we're going to go through the sales page. I'm going to show you who created this as well as what your deliverables are that you're going to get. So this is Chris Ramirez, and if we go ahead and look here, Chris Ramirez has 270 sales here for his products, and we see here that he has a 4.74 rating for his products out of 5 stars. So that is pretty awesome. So Chris Ramirez has high ratings on the products that he creates, and let's go ahead and see what we have here. So we'll go through, and basically I'm going to go ahead and sum it up for you. We can look at the sales page, but what it's going to teach you, the training, is going to be how to go ahead and use these GDocs to be able to go ahead and increase your conversion rates because you're basically creating bridge pages. So it's going to show you how to create a free bridge page with GDocs and how to increase your conversion rates because you're not just sending people directly to your affiliate link. So this is going to build the know, like, and trust with your viewers, as well as be able to give you higher conversion rates, which is going to give you a higher likelihood of getting approved for offers, as well as being able to possibly get up on better leaderboards. Now, remember, I told you that not only are you going to get this training, I'm going to show you how to automate it, but I'm also going to show you how to go ahead and use this same document inside your bonus to be able to rank with it, as well as index and rank your other properties as well with the same document. So let's go ahead and go through here. And so we got a lot of text. If you'd like to read, you can go ahead and read that. But basically, it's going to do exactly what I told you. So he's going to show you some of the conversion rates that he's gotten. So instead of getting 1% conversion rates when you are driving traffic to an offer, you can go ahead and increase them. And when you have higher conversion rates, people who are vendors are going to be more likely to approve because they like to see that the traffic you're sending is high quality traffic. So that's the whole gist of this. He's going to show you that he gets sales and he gets higher conversion rates when he's sending people to his GDocs. And then it's going to give you some bonuses. Now, remember, I told you that inside of this traffic, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to automate what he's teaching. So right here, he's got the audience building masterclass as one of the bonuses. I'm going to show you how you can automate the audience building process. All right. He also has another bonus here for original content catalyst. Where he's going to go ahead and show you how to go ahead and create content with AI, how to create shorts ideas, and how to go ahead and model successful content that you see out there on the market. So this is all about driving traffic to your GDoc. So that's going to be a training to go ahead and help out with that. Plus, he also has a task planner so that you can stay organized and be able to make sure that you have everything set up for the week, ready to go so that you can go ahead and drive traffic to your GDocs. And so right now it is at the early bird launch price of $7.96. It will be going up after the launch. So it gives you the ability to go ahead and get a discount on this training. So let's go ahead and jump into the training and see what you get for this. And this is not the bonuses that you're going to get, but the original training. And remember, in the bonuses, I show you how to automate all of the things he's teaching in the training. We are now inside the GDocProfits training and deliverables. So you're going to jump inside and you're going to have the ability to join his group, subscribe to his YouTube channel. And since you're a purchaser, you are also auto-approved to go ahead and promote GDocProfits. Now, this is the main training for the course. This is actually a 2-hour long training. And basically, like I said, it goes through how to go ahead and create these documents, how to go ahead and have AI create these documents, how to go ahead and have higher conversions with these documents to get better conversion rates, as well as use it as a free bridge page. But also, like I said, with the bonus that I'm giving you, you actually get this entire training inside a custom GPT where all you have to do is drop your sales page link that you want to go ahead and promote, and it will create that content for you. So that's going to be really nice and easy. Then you also have some bonuses here. Now, this one is the attraction marketing. It's going to show you how to go ahead and do finding of the content that is ranking, how to be able to create that content and post, and how to be able to create shorts as well. So content, posts, shorts, and how to find that content. So this is a training on that. You also have the Audience Builder Masterclass. Now, like I said, you're going to be getting a training to show you exactly how to automate this as well. So he shows you a training on how to be able to build your audience and to be able to get traffic to your Google Doc so that you can go ahead and make some sales. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to automate this whole process because I love automation. And then you also have the Sparks method for never-ending content, and he's going to show you how to go ahead and create your own voice on how you like to go ahead and create posts, and then how to have AI be able to go ahead and create that for you automatically so you have never-ending content, which is pretty cool. They also have the Rocket Accountability Spreadsheet, which is going to show you how to go ahead and map out your content so you have content every single day, posting it to get engagement. And then they also have the accountability spreadsheet here so that you can go ahead and copy it and be able to track your content, make sure that you are posting content to be consistent, to stay accountable pretty much. And then there's also the upsells if you want to go for them. You're also going to get some extra bonuses inside of this, which is going to be how to train GPTs to write just like you. And so basically, he's going to show you how to be able to let ChatGPT know how that you are writing, and so that it can also create additional posts in your voice, with your style, with your tone, to be able to not ever have a writer's block. You can always have it write content for you that you can post on social media or create videos, which is pretty awesome. And then they also have a training on how to have your audience resonate with you using AI. And this is, again, making content, consistent content in your voice. So pretty good trainings there. And then once again, you can have the upsells if you want. So this has been a Profits review and exclusive bonus. If you want to go ahead and pick up my bonuses, make sure you click my affiliate link in the description. I do get a little bit of kickback for that, but like I said, you're going to get some amazing value in the bonuses you won't find anywhere else, because I created them just for you. So thank you so much for watching here on the Passive Cash Stacker channel. I appreciate your support, and if this was any good information that helped you out at all, make sure you smack that thumbs up. It definitely helps me out in the YouTube algorithm, and I would appreciate it. I hope you have an excellent day, and we'll see you on the next one.